Hi, I'm Bunny. No, that's not what my mama calls me. She calls me Bernie, short for Bernadette. My big brother couldn't say R's when he was little, so the cat came out Bunny. It just stuck. Oh. I'm not real. I'm one of Tiffany's eyes, so I'm trying to learn to dance. It's pretty funny. Want to see? Let's practice the Thriller zombie choreography. Ugh, rhymes! Yes! Nailed it! I don't think I am getting this.
You're doing fine. We will run it again. Remember, your foot is attached to your leg. Your leg is attached to your hip.
Okay, let me try again. Give me another one. I have a freaking dog! I love dogs!
Yes, you have a dog, a couple of cats and geckos. Okay, try again. Command incoming.
Losing my mind, holding my pride.
Oh, hold on a sec. My mama just messaged me. Just a moment.
Tails that flip, with tails that flip. When my night's free, beneath the dawn, dancing with glee, setting us free. Losing my mind, holding my pride. Give to the waves of free. Load up this way, dreaming away.
Come on, buddy. Let's clean this up. Or at least try. Okay, plates are next. This is gonna take a minute.